Hey there, folks. Welcome to today's quick guide on how to activate your Discover card. If you've just received your shiny new card in the mail, you're probably eager to start using it for everyday purchases, earning rewards, or building your credit. Don't worry. Activation is a breeze and only takes a couple of minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to go. Let's dive right in. First off, why activate your card? It's not just a formality, it's crucial for security reasons. Once activated, your card is linked to your account, protecting you from unauthorized use. The most straightforward way to do this is online. Grab your card and head to the Discover website at discover.com. Look for the Activate Card option, usually right on the homepage. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number, which is printed on the front, and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Follow the on-screen prompts, and bam, you're activated. If you're not a fan of online steps or don't have internet access, you can activate by phone. Flip your card over and find the customer service number on the back. Give them a call, and a friendly representative will guide you through the process. You'll provide the same details, your card number and some personal info to confirm your identity. It's quick, often under 5 minutes. Now, what if you hit a snag? Common issues include entering the wrong card details or having a temporary hold on your account. Double-check your information first. If that doesn't work, don't hesitate to contact Discover support. They're available 24/7 and can resolve most problems on the spot. One more thing. After activation, keep an eye on your account for the first few transactions to ensure everything's running smoothly. Remember, activating your card unlocks perks like cashback and fraud protection, so it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching, everyone. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.